Hello, welcome back to my channel, friends. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. Now, I know some Dollar Trees have switched over to charging $1.25 for their products. Mine, however, is still charging only $1, so I'm gonna call it the Dollar Tree still. So it's just kind of a random things that I found that were cute there. Some is Valentine's, some is springtime, just kind of, or in between there. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So the first thing, by the way, I look very rough. It's been a long week, but anyway. So the first thing I bought was this glasses lanyard. It's just this purple, it's got some jewels. They had different colors. I know it's such a grandma thing, but like, I don't know, like just the thought of like sitting and working in my office and then just being like, oh, what does that say? And like putting them on, like, I don't know. I think it's cute. They had different colored ones. So I think they had orange, they had red. Hopefully you can kind of see that, but I thought they were cute. So I bought some. Then next I bought two, let's get the actual name here. Oh, it just says gift wrap. Viola gift wrap, and it's foil. It's like this red foiled wrapping paper. That's what it was with, was a wrapping paper. I plan to do like a fun photo shoot like with myself for Valentine's Day, and I thought this would be a cute background. So I got two of these, and they are, seeing if it said 30 inches by 48 inches. And I'm no good at math or how big these will actually be, so I just grabbed two just in case. Then we have these cute this headband with hearts on it. So like I said, I'm gonna do like a little photo shoot thing at home for Valentine's Day, and I was like, I really wanted like a tablecloth that had like hearts on it, and I was gonna use that as a background, but I couldn't find one. So I got that, and I'm like, well, that's, I mean, yes, it's red Valentine's Day, but I'm like, I need like hearts. So I was like, maybe I'll put this on for some of them. I thought that was really cute. Hopefully it'll fit my head. I haven't tried it on, but hopefully it'll fit. And then I got a tablecloth. This is more of a spring tablecloth, and I'm gonna do the same thing in the springtime. I thought this would look really cool as a backdrop. There's like, I don't know if there's roses, different types of flowers, a bird. I thought that would be really cute to do an indoor shoot with this. And again, it's only $1, so I thought, what the heck. Then I bought two of these, and I've already opened them. We already used one. My husband wanted to try it out. So these, if you don't know, you just fill them up with water and then stick them in your plant. They're supposed to, I believe, like not just drain into the plant right away, but like over time. But my husband said that he put one in our plant and it just all dumped out. So yeah, I don't know if that's supposed to happen. I'm not sure, but just be warned that that's what he said happens. But I thought for $1 I'd give it a try because I've been wanting to use them. Next, I bought 2 bars of soap. And the first one I got was oatmeal lemon verbena. I really love lemon scented things. It's by, is it Sugar? But just spell a little, Sugar Soap Works. Oatmeal lemon verbena plant-based scented soap. It says it's vegan free, cruelty free, so that's good. Oh no, yep. So there's that. And then I also got another just regular lemon bar soap. I believe, yep, this is vegan free, cruelty free. I'm pretty sure it's Sugar Soap Works, but this is just the lemon one. So I'm excited to try those out because I typically don't use bar soap, but I usually use a loofah. So I'm like, I could try out a bar. I mean, it wouldn't bug me too much. Next, we have these microfiber washcloths, and 4 come in a pack. We've been needing new like dish towels to like clean stuff with. But yeah, they're nice. Ooh, oh yeah, never mind. But yeah, they're by Home Collection. I think that's just their kind of brand. But yeah, I bought 2 of those, so I bought 8. Hopefully those work out good. I don't think we've ever bought towels from there, so we'll see. Simba, excuse you. He's like all up in the bag here. Next, I also bought these Clean Life multi-purpose cleaning towels. They almost feel like a very thick, like, I don't know if you can hear it, like cotton material. I think they had them in another color. Ooh, did they? I think it was only white, actually. It says it's ideal for wood, glass, leather, electronics. You can use it wet or dry. So that's awesome. And it comes with 2, I believe. Yeah, 2 cloths right there in bright green. Joyce, jeez. Okay. Simba, watch out, buddy. Then I got these. Now, we don't have a kid. I'm not pregnant. Like, this is for the future child. So I saw these really cute. They're yoga activity cards, and they have one for beginners. And then they have one for advanced. And they're just little, like, they each come with 32 poses. And maybe they're not just for kids. I don't know. To me, it just looked like kid, but like an adult, you totally could use these. And then here's kind of what they look like on the back. But I thought these would be really cute for when we have a kid. Like, I just thought that was so cute. Like I say, I don't know if they're just meant for kids, but to me, that's like the marketing looked like it. But you totally, as an adult, could use these. So we got those. Then I got these are all kind of in the same category, which don't know that I'm going to be able to use these now, but I bought 2 of these, but I've already used one. This is the Village Natural Therapy. This one is the Aches and Pains Muscle Relief. It's a mineral bath soak, powerful therapeutic blend for muscle and just discomfort. Wow, I can't speak. Muscle and joint discomfort, sore, tired feet, on-the-go relief. It has Epsom salt, menthol, and spearmint. And they come in these. They had another one that was in blue, and it did a little bit of different things. I have been dealing with joint pain from, suspected that I did have COVID, even though my test was negative, but it's suspected like a lingering side effect, like from after having COVID, is getting joint pain. And I literally have been, all of my joints, all of them, like my wrist, my thumb, my knees, everything, and it's awful. And I read to the doctor yesterday, she recommended trying to take a bath. And I was like, okay, like we have a bath in our new house. So I was like, I'll try that. Bought this because I saw them and I'm like, oh, that's a great idea. Poured it in the bathtub. It smells really good. Like, you definitely could smell all of, the spearmint, the menthol and all that. It was really relaxing. Got in the tub, and our tub is so small. Like, I'm already like averagely a bigger person, but like I can't fit it. It's made for dogs and babies, not a full-grown adult. So it was not as therapeutic and like as relaxing as I was hoping it would be. But this did smell good, so I advise if you have a bathtub that you can fit in and is bigger than ours, I would try this. And I also would try the other one too. I'm wondering if I can somehow put this in the shower somehow. I don't know. I'm not sure, but it really did smell good. And then along those same lines, I bought bath bombs, which again, I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to use them. Maybe I'll give them to like my nieces and nephews. But I got the Soothing Bath Bombs in Rose Water and Aloe. It's for all skin types and advanced formula. And there is 3 in the package. They also had different, like a watermelon and something. But I got this one. Again, not sure. Maybe I could put it in the shower somehow, but got those. And then I got another bath bomb. This was like with their Valentine's stuff. It's shaped in a little heart. Same thing, I might give it away, or I'll try to see if I can use it in the shower. This one is lavender scented, but they did have other Valentine's Day shaped bath bombs, and they were different scents as well. So then I think we're getting to the bottom of the bag here. Then since I've been sick, you should always change your toothbrush, which I didn't know. I think I saw it on Facebook that you should be changing your, well, I think in general, you should be changing your toothbrush or toothbrush head very frequently, but especially if you've been sick. So I have a Gleam, which is like it's rechargeable one that I use, and then I use also, my dentist recommended one of these to like just do a quick once over. Sorry. A quick once over after that, like in certain areas if I feel the need. So I just bought a new one. This is the Colgate Extra Clean in medium. They had a bunch of different toothbrushes to pick from. That was just the one that I picked. Then last but certainly not least are the cutest little things in the world. These are going to go outside once it's warmer out. They are little like ceramic frogs. This guy, he just sits like this and he's so cute, just like that. I'm not sure where, because like I said, it's like they're gonna be breakable, so it'll have to be somewhere where it won't be bothered. Then we have another little guy, but he is laying on his side. He is so cute. And the last one, he is laying on his back. He is chilling like a villain. There's what he looks like if you're looking down at him. But he just sits like that. They're so cute. I love them. So yeah, that was my, I mean, it was pretty much a random Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you guys will come back and see it. Like this video if you liked it, share if you want to share it, and subscribe also if you enjoy watching my videos. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.